In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Claude API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start integrating Claude into your apps and tools with confidence. First, open your browser and head straight to platform.claude.com settings keys. This is the keys page for the Claude platform. If you land on a different area, don't worry, you can always navigate there from the sidebar in a moment. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you proceed, especially if you use multiple workspaces. Being in the right place at the start will save you time later. On the left-hand side of the Claude platform, look for the section labeled Manage. It sits in the main navigation panel, and it's the hub for administrative options. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to expand the menu to see it clearly. Selecting Manage ensures you're in the area where keys and related settings are controlled. Next, click on API keys. This takes you to the central page where keys are created and maintained. You'll see a clean overview that's designed to help you monitor access safely. If you've created keys before, you'll typically see a list here along with basic details like names and dates. If this is your first time, the page will be empty, which simply means you're ready to generate your first key. This page is where you can view your existing keys at a glance. It's helpful for audits, housekeeping, and making sure only the keys you truly need are active. Remember, the values of your keys are sensitive by design. Even though they may be partially hidden or obscured in the interface, treat everything here as confidential. When you're ready to add a new one, click Create Key. The platform will guide you through the quick creation flow. You may be asked to provide a label so you can recognize the key's purpose later. Keeping names descriptive is a great habit, especially if you manage multiple projects or environments. Once the key is generated, handle it carefully, store it securely, avoid sharing it in screenshots or code repositories, and keep it out of client-side code. If you ever suspect a key has been exposed, plan to rotate it promptly and remove old ones you no longer use. That's it. You went to platform.claude.com/settings keys, opened the Manage section on the left, selected API keys, reviewed what's there, and then created a new key. Follow these steps anytime you need to add or maintain access, and you'll keep your integrations organized and secure.